In this first feature, I'm going to show you how to answer an individual previous text in a text feed in Message on iPhone 12 and iOS 15. Bam. So open it up. I'm already in a feed. So I'm just going to slide up. Let's go to this one here where it says no problem. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on it like that. It's going to pop this up, right? And wait a minute. Did the wrong one. Let's do this one right here. I'm going to press on this one right here. See, it's up higher, right? So I'm going to go like this. It's going to open up this little box. And in it, we can say reply. And then we can say excellent. Just like that, right? And then we hit the blue button. Bam. And now you're stuck in this page, right? So if you try to swipe it up, it doesn't work. The way you get back to that feed is you just got to tap it like that. And it brings you right back there. And if you look, it says reply. Let's take a look at it. And it shows it again. And then to get out of it, we hit here. And then it goes, now where that reply is, it's down here. But it's actually up. It shows you it's next to this one here. I sent it to Kathleen and you. Excellent. So that was up here, right? Where was it? Right there. So it shows it right there. So that's how you do it. So remember, when you're here, the way you get out of it is just touch it. All right, and that's it. Next, I'm going to show you how to translate a text message in Message on iOS 15. It's a new thing that they have. It's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and go like this. We're going to go, of course we will win. Let's go ahead and press on that. It's going to open up this little box. I'm going to go to translate, and there it is in Spanish. Bam, done. Now you can change the language if you want. You can copy the translation. You can change the language, and you can add it to your favorites, or you can open in Translator. But you don't have to because it does it right there. So if you got a buddy writing you in Spanish or French, boom, you can understand what they're saying. All right, I'm going to show you a new download feature that they've added to Message app on your Apple iPhone and iOS 15. Open her up. I'm going to go to this video. And my friend just sent me these videos. And you're going to notice over here, look, remember how you used to have to push on it to get, now you don't have to do that. So all I've got to do is hit this. And it says save video. Now it's been saved to my device. I hit this. Bam, there they are. All right, I'm going to show you how to delete a video or a photo or a text in your Message app in iOS 15 on your iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and just open this up. And I'm going to slide down to this one right here. So if I wanted to download it, I could click here. But if I want to get rid of it, I could push on it like that, right? Then I could go down here and I could hit more. And then see how it just makes a little blue check in there? Well, if I wanted to get rid of that, I would just come down here and I would hit this. Delete message. Bam, now that message is gone. Let's look at a video. Oh, now it's froze. My screen's frozen. Oh, it's taken a while for that to happen. So after you do this, you may have a frozen screen. So let's close it out. Let's close it out. Let's go back. Still frozen. I guess we got to really close it out like that. Now let's go back. All right, now let's go back in there. And it's gone. Now I'm going to show you how to get rid of a video. All right. So here's a video I don't want. I push on it. Bam. And then I just have to hit that little garbage can at the bottom. And this video is gone. But let's get rid of two of them. All right. Let's do two at a time. Here we go. Delete two messages. Bam. Now you're going to notice after you do that, that the messages, that those videos are gone. Next, I'm going to show you how to add an accent like a thumbs up or a thumbs down or a ha-ha to a message in your Message app on iOS 15 and iPhone 12. All right, so let's go to this one right here. I'm just going to press on it. It's going to pop up. And if I want, I could go heart, thumbs up, thumbs down, ha, a double exclamation point, or what? A question mark. So he says, of course we will win. So I'm just going to hit ha. Bam, done. Now it's got a little ha-ha on there. All right, let's say you want to find all of the photos that one individual person has ever sent you on your message app in iPhone 12 and iOS 15. So let's go ahead and let's open that up. And I'm already in a feed, all right? Let me just show you. Here I am. I'm in this guy's feed. So if I want to see every photo or video that he's ever sent me, I just click on his face up here. And then I slide down, and then there's a thing that says photos. And then it's see all. And there they are. That's every single photo or video that he's ever sent me over the lifetime of us having, text message things. And you can see there's a lot, right? Let's go back. Now, if I want to see all the links, I can see every single link that we ever had. All right, and I go back by hitting right here. And then if I want to see all the documents, I can see every document. We haven't sent a lot of documents. Bam. So that's a quick way to look at all the photos that you've ever gotten from an individual person. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your iPhone. Peace out. All right, so anyway, I'm in this feed, and let's say that I wanted to delete a video. I could come to it, I could press on it, and then I could go to more, and then it highlights it, and then I could just hit delete, and it would disappear. But here's a quicker way if you want to, because then you got to go through the whole feed to do it. But here's a quicker way. You just click here, you go down to photos, you hit see all. All right, so let's say you want to get rid of all these photos, right? What you would do is you'd hit the select button here. And then what I would do is I would just go in and I would highlight them just by touching them like that. You see? And then once I've done that, I can come down here and then you're going to see a save or delete. This is another way you can save them. But let's say you want to delete them. You just hit right here and it deletes 18 attachments. And that's it. Bam. And then if you want to get back, you just come up here and you just hit that. And there you are. You're back in there. And that's how you do a quick one. Now, if this person is a friend of yours and you sent them a message and you hooked them up into your Find My app, which has Find My People, Find My Devices, Find My Items, then you're going to be able to see where they're at, which is kind of cool. And then over here's all the documents that he sent or I sent them. Here's all the links that I sent them or he sent me. And here's all the photos that I sent or he sent. And that's basically how you do it.